下，我要先找几个人，妈的，人都不知道哪里去了。
现在几点了？
凌晨，没有，还有好多其他国家的。Hello guys, today we are going to program a key for BMW FEM module, OK lost. We have read the ISN code with our mini dongle. Now we are going to add a key under OK lost situation. And we will show you how to install our socket, how to program a key, how to program key without soldering. So this is the first tool in the wall, which can do class 4 plus, class 4, class 3 plus, and FEM without soldering. Okay, it will start in about 3 minutes, so be a little patient and then we will start it. Okay, almost. Just invite some friends to come here. Okay. Wait, 1 more minute. Almost. Okay, now we are going to show you how to install our socket and how to program a key under OK lost situation. Here's the FEM module, okay, and here's our software. You can use it with Android phone or iOS phone, Apple phone, no problem. Here's our dongle, and here's the simulator cable. Okay, now we are going to install the simulator cable. Okay, plug in, easy. Okay, very easy. Okay, plug in, and here's the power. Now we install the socket. Very easy. Okay, insert socket. Okay, here's the 8-pin chip reader. So now if you want to add a key for FEM module, you don't need to remove the chip, you don't need to do the soldering. You just plug in the 8-pin chip reader and then you can read the 8-pin chip. Okay, now all things are settled. We need to power on the dongle and then we'll start it. Okay, so the tool is power on. Now we are going to run the software. Okay, here's the software and we have FEM module. Okay, so now we're going to add one key. We'll choose mode 2, add key under all keys lost situation. but we already have the ISN code. Okay. Now we do the preconditioning the FEM. So we choose the automatic way. Okay, now it's running the software. So you guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me online and then I will reply you. Okay, here's the FEM information, ID version information. Okay. Okay. Okay, here's the good things about our tool. It can check the AP reader and then it will tell you whether the connection is good or not. If the connection is not good, and it will tell you you need to connect it well. Now the connection is good, so we go to next step. Okay, here's the files backup. Checking the FEM and the light is running. Okay, files backup. Okay. Okay, checking the FEM, BDC. Light is on. Okay, now it's processing the FEM, coding the FEM module. Before we add a key, we must do some coding on the FEM. It will take about 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll finish this procedure. It is adding a key. Running. Just the cable. No need soldering, it's the first one in the wall. It's running quite fast. Now it's still going on. About 40% right now. So maybe another 5 minutes and we'll be finished. So guys, if you have any questions about this mini BMW 2, just test me. Test it and then let me know. Okay, still going on a few minutes and it will finish. About 70% right now, so 3 minutes it will be finished. Okay, almost finished. About about 90% now. So this is a live video. If anyone has any questions, just let me know. You can type on the screen, and then when I read it, I will answer your questions. Okay, 94%. Okay, finish this step. We'll go to next step. Write in memory. Okay, check in. Yeah. Okay, it's undergoing. About a few minutes away, and then we can finish the procedure. Okay, the fire is back up. Okay, we go to next step. Successful. Okay. Okay, now we go to next step. Okay. Now we program a key. Okay. Make sure you have the ISN code. Yes, we have the ISN code. And make sure you have a new key. Yeah, we have a new key. And the initial programming process. Yes, of course. Okay. Okay, now it asks you to input the ISN code. If you can. Okay, we have the ISN code, and then we select BMW. Okay, here's the ISN code we read. So we input it. Now let's go in. Okay, here's the information. Okay. Now we're going to program a key. So we select key 7 channel. Okay, learn. So we'll put a new key close to the coil, and then we'll learn the key. So here is the new key, brand new key. So here is the coil. We put it to the coil, and then we'll start to learn the key. Okay. Now we're coming back here. So go to next step. It's reading the key info. So now we are waiting about a few seconds. Yeah, so program ignition key successed. Yeah, so that's okay. Now we'll check the key 7 channel. Okay, key is programmed. Okay, Yeah. Okay. Now one key is done. Okay. One key is programmed. Finished. Okay, that's all. It's very easy. Just about 15 to 20 minutes, and then we program a key under all keys lost situation. Okay, guys, let me know if you have any questions.